If your Keurig shuts off when you push the brew button, let me show you how to fix it. I had a problem with my Keurig where it would power on, I'd push the button to brew, and it would automatically shut off. It turns out there's some issue with it having too much water in the area that it brews, and I will show you how to fix that. First thing we want to do is make sure that we unplug the unit. Now we will remove the drip tray and also the reservoir that's on the left side of the Keurig. You'll see that there's a little black circle at the bottom of the reservoir receiver, and there's a plastic valve in the center of that. Push down on that and you may get water that comes out. If water comes flowing out of there, then most likely you have too much water inside the Keurig, and that's what's making it shut off. What we're going to do now is turn the Keurig upside down, push in on that water bladder, and water should come out of there and also from the top of the Keurig. We want to shake it a couple times to get as much water as we can out of it, and then we'll turn it upright, put it all back together, and see if it functions. It sure does. Problem solved. I hope that this was useful for you, and it's very frustrating because you spend a lot of money on these devices and there's very little information on how to fix it. This is a simple fix, and I know I've ran into this problem many times over the years and didn't realize what it was and ended up buying a new unit. So hopefully I could save you $130 and you're able to get a lot more use out of it. You save the environment and all that other good stuff. If this was of use to you, please share, like, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.